My papa told me, son, this country wouldn't fall for by men who run. So get your rifle and get your gun and tell them all this when they come. Don't tread on me.
Come on, come on.
Don't tread on me.
Say it again.
Don't tread on me.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't tread on me.
Have mercy on their souls for the ones who trespass against us when they come to take our guns and get lit up like it's Christmas. Hellfire through the homeland. Lord, we beg and plead. How much blood are we gonna bleed until they finally set us free? I'm just a broke man from the bottom, but I refuse to be quiet. They gonna have to lock me away or put me inside a mental asylum. To this day I hear them sirens. I know it's coming ahead. I just pray for the ones I love and thank you, God, for my daily bread. Amen. So hated or love it is coming for sure. Loaded and cocky, get ready for war. My granny, my papa, they passing the torch. Only big dogs hopping off the porch with shotguns and thick skin. When the time comes, either sink or swim. Never bow down, we rise up. It's in our blood, we play to win.
My papa told me, son,